Here we are at RCFCT.
Oh,
Yep, with the usual oh my god, what's this? With the usual suspects. There we go. We're gonna walk in front of people. You're gonna see planes crashing because I'm blocking them. Oh, look at that. A P-47, the Jug. Knife Edge King. Mr. Crankshaft.
Crankshaft!
And it's Jeff. Yeah, look at that. Nice to see so many people out in the winter. Looks like a pylon race happening right now. Look at these things. Yep. This is gonna go on Facebook and YouTube. Yep. This whole thing, of course, organized by Mr. Crankshaft himself. Let's zoom in on the crankshaft. There it is. There's the crankshaft. Yep. Awesome. We are at 685 or something like that Military Trail. Pope John Paul II. Yeah, secondary school on this enormous gym. This is fantabulous. Indoor flying. No coats needed. Let's see. Let's track one of these airplanes and we'll follow it along the way. Whoa! Yeah, kind of hard to track. So there we go. And just to give you, ooh, we had a P-47 like test the integrity of their landing gear. And there's a 3-channel jobby. And just give you an idea of how cute the airplanes are and the size, and that's what it looks like. Yep, well, you look at that. Intense concentration on Jeff's face. There we go. Major intensity. Ooh! Bang! Oh, yeah. By the way, he drives the same way. Yeah. Rolling circle. Yeah. Alrighty. More video later.